On top of the population density, we have to factor in the mixed-use zoning. This, in many places, is 2 miles, 2.3 miles, 2.5 miles to some mixed-use commercial areas. If you go over here, you have 3.75 miles to get to a commercial area. It just doesn't work. And then let's say right here, we'll clear a measurement. Measure distance. 3.75 miles. So we're going to say between 2 and 3. We're going to say like 2.5 to do the math. So here's the interior, and the measurements between commercial roundabouts is 650 feet. So half of that would be 300 to get to a commercial roundabout, the maximum distance. And then you can take the elevators to all of the other commercial roundabouts. So here's the shocking math. This is 2.5 miles, 13,200. This is what I just told you. This is 600 divided by 2. Let's say 400 just to make the math better. Distance reduction, divide, you get 33. You multiply by the commute multiplier right here. For these numbers, based on the density multiplier right here, based on the population density, the acreage and the population, how many hexagons there is, and you get this new distance times commute multiplier. So you get 387, 498, 382, 327, and 162. Now we can calculate our old distance commute and our new distance commute. So that old 2.5 mile commute now turns into 27 feet commute. You're commuting 27 feet to get to your location. 21 feet, 27 feet, 32 feet, 65 feet. If you have a 4 mile commute, you're going 54 feet. A 16 mile commute, you have 218 feet. The least dense Arkology with a 16 mile commute turns into 500 feet. That's how dense it is, because of the mixed use 33x times the commute distance multiplier. So what's really fascinating is I haven't ever done this math, and I don't know why. I always assumed mixed use zoning would help, but I never realized it would help this much, a 33 times distance reduction. And the commute multiplier is nice, but when you combine these two, it just is out of control. 500 times closer. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. You can't even comprehend that. Like, everything is just going to be right there at your fingertips throughout the whole city. A single zoning multiplier is more powerful than 1,000 mass transit lanes.